Gofyn cwestiynau. In this part of the unit, we're going to look at forming future tense questions. As with other short form verbs, the initial letter of the verb mutates softly in a question. Here, the b mutates to v. Edrychwch. Fydda I? Will I be? Fydd e? Will he be? Or will it be? Fydd hi? Will she be? Or will it be for a feminine noun? Let's practice. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Fydda i'n gweithio mewn tîm? Fydd e'n gorffen yn gynnar? Fydd hi'n oer yfory? Arbennig. The affirmative answer to a fydd question is bydd. Er enghraifft, fydd hi'n braf yfory? Bydd. To form the negative no, na is placed in front of the yes answer. This na causes a treiglad meddal. Edrychwch. Bydd. Na fydd. Dewch i ni ymarfer. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Fydd e'n mynd i'r cyfarfod? Bydd. Na fydd. Fydd hi'n stormus dros y penwythnos? Bydd. Na fydd. Arbennig. Take your time to practice now, and you can always watch this video again to revise.